Today's video on my 16 Expedition, my driver's side speaker is blown out. It's starting to give me a lot of static and feedback through it. So I picked up some 6x8 kickers off Amazon. They were 69 bucks plus taxation across the nation. So I'm just going to show you how to take the door panel off. You have one little dicky right there. You got to pull the tab off. One of these pick tools would be a big help. Then you have a 7mm down here. You have another 7mm down here. And then also in this door handle crevice here, yeah, pop this door up, which I'm sure has tons of nice in there. Don't mind the vibrations. My phone never stops ringing. Come on. I'm pretty sure this one's meant to come off because, yeah, there she goes. All right, so just give her some force, and then there you go. You have two more 7mm in there. So I'm just gonna pop these out real quick. There's one. You're an idiot. That's what happens when you work with one hand. Hold on. Oh, come on. Piece of shit. Excuse my language. There we go. All right, I'm gonna get a little extension for my drill here and be right back. So I just pump those off. You can unthread this lock cover here. Sometimes it makes it easier for the door panel to get up and over it. Then from here, there's really just a bunch of push pin clips that are on the back side of this door panel. You can pull up here where the Sony is, and this will just come right off. So I'm just gonna pop the panel off. You go ripping the panel. There's one here. It's a Phillips head. With this clip, you just pop the cover off, obviously loosen said screw. So now, just lift up, just like so. I might be lazy and not, I'm gonna disconnect the door panel. So you just have your plugs for the window switch. There's nothing you have to disconnect for the door handle, which is nice. So I'll just unplug these connectors, and you can see the plug for the speaker right there. And these are held on by Torx, or I'm gonna say those are 8s. Let me just see. Nope, they're 7s, so 7mm to take that off. And so once I pop that off, I'll open up the other speaker and show you what's going on. So just so you know, this rolls all the way up there. I'm not going through all that. So if you're smart, you can just lay the door panel inside the door edge here, and it holds it up for you nice. So now we can attack the said door speaker here. Remove all 4. That's it. Okay, so here's the plug for the speaker. And here's the original Sony 6x8. And here's the new girls. So here's the new kicker in comparison. They give you a bunch of self-tappers, or whatever you like to call them, to send it home here. You have your positive and negative tabs. They're clearly marked red and black. Trying to make sure this fits nice-ish. It's close. It's not dead nuts, so I'll just have to play with it just a little bit to get them all to line up perfect. But it is a direct fit, which is nice. This is the little harness that they give you. So one for positive, one for negative. The other end is just open leads. So what you're gonna have to do is just, obviously I'm gonna have to see which one's power, which one's ground. I'm not gonna assume anything. I'm gonna see what the hell plugged into what here. Nothing, I don't know. Wait a minute. No, I'll figure it out in a minute here, and I'll let you know what the colors are. All right, so I just crimped on 2 butt connectors onto the supplied kicker harness. Damn, I just looked at this. I think the white violet is positive and the orange is negative. So positive, purple, negative, orange. All right, so my connectors are crimped on there. The kicker harness, there's one of the wires has a black stripe in it, which is indicating your ground. The other one does not. So again, purple, white to your power, orange, white to your negative or ground. And the one connector is bigger. So I'm just going to wrap this in my felt tape here, and then I'll plug the speaker in, and I will screw it on and button this up on this side. And that's all she wrote. Make sure you plug everything back in on the door. Used all the factory bolts. I know I always say this, everything's like a 10-minute install, but this was really like 10 minutes. It took me longer to video this and have some patience than to actually slap it together. So just don't forget your bolt on the outside here. You're going to slide the panel up over the top and then push down. Nice. Again, plug everything back in and put your 2 bolts back in on the bottom. Your one for the handle and your one mid-mounted here for your armrest, and you're good to roll.